In this lesson, we will learn how to manage a large number of markers on the map by using clustering. Instead of crowding the map with too many pins, clustering groups them together and shows a count, making the map cleaner and easier to read. Let's start with an array of coordinates. We will create a list of locations around New York City and add a marker for each one of them. For each location, we will create a marker. And set the position of the location. And let's say we set the map directly. At this point, the map will look very cluttered because of so many markers. Let's try it out. We can see there are too many markers. It's very hard to identify or click on them. To solve this, we will use the marker clusterer library from Google Maps. It is a separate library that we need to include. Once we have included the marker clusterer, we can create an instance of it. When creating the marker clusterer, we need to pass the map object and the list of markers. When we use marker clusterer, we don't need to assign the map object to the marker object. Let's try it out. We can see the count of markers. When we zoom in, the cluster breaks apart into individual markers. And when we zoom out, they regroup. This is how we can handle hundreds of markers without overwhelming the user. Clustering is especially useful in real-world apps like showing restaurants, stores, or user activity.